we are going to discuss about the use of JavaScript in FormStack. If you guys are not aware of what FormStack is, please refer to our previous videos, as today in this video we are going to specifically talk about the JavaScript part and not the other details. So now let's begin. Now as you can see, I have already created few forms for you, like the contact form and the account form. So let's directly begin with the demonstration. This is the account form, and as we all know how to use it, we just have to click on the link and we will get on the form which we have created. Now this is the form which I have created for contact form. Now let us demonstrate it by creating a record. Name is our test form stack and click on send. And this should create a record in our Salesforce org. Now let's as you can see, it has sent us a message as thank you for submission. It means that the record should be created. Now let us check whether the record has been created or not. As you can see, there is a record name as test form stack, and it means that our form is behaving as per the requirement. Now what I want to tell you here is, why do we need JavaScript? So this is right now we are seeing the standard functionality that the form stack provides. Now if we have some additional requirement, like we want to preview the form before submission, or we want to do something before save, or we want to do something before the page is rendered or after the page is rendered, in those conditions what should we do? So these all questions are answered by the JavaScript feature of the form stack app. Now let us see how. So in order to use JavaScript, we have to edit the form and write our JavaScript code. Now as you can see, there is an edit button right in front of your form name, so just click on that. As you can see, in this account form I have created multiple sections. Like one is the account section, which contains the account details like name, phone number, etc, etc, and there is one more page as the address section, which contains all the details about the address, and there is a third page which contains the summary. Summary holds all the details which I have filled in the previous two sections. So what my requirement is, I want to preview the form before submitting it. Whatever details I have filled in this first section, account section, and the address section, I want to preview those details in the third page. Now how can we do it? The simple way is to use JavaScript. So what I am going to do is, I have just use these text fields. Now you can see there are journal text fields here. I have just dragged these fields and put it right over here so that I can use them. Right now I don't need them because I've already created them for you. I just demonstrated that for you. So you can drag these fields here and write the name of these fields so that they can appear on your preview form, and then you can write your JavaScript code in order to preview it. Now the question is, where do you write your JavaScript code? So as you can see, there is a button named as form settings. Just click on that form setting, and this will open you a page where you can write your JavaScript code and do all the details. Now let me show you about all the other details. It shows you the account form, the object which you have used, and it also asks you the submission behavior, like on submit what do you want you to do. I'll come to these details afterwards. Now let's just focus on the JavaScript part. Now this is the place JavaScript code where you can write your JavaScript code. Now I have written this code. Let me show you this code in a notepad so that you guys can see it properly. So this is a simple JavaScript code I have written for the preview functionality. So what you have to do, if you guys know a little bit of JavaScript, you could be able to understand it much easier. I have defined this function named as jQuery, and this is the ID of the button. Button means, I'll show you which button I'm talking about. I'm talking about this next button, because my summary page will appear after I click this next button. So here what I am doing is, I am just providing the ID of this button right here. So when this button will be clicked, this piece of code will be executed. Now the question is, where do you get the ID of this button? For that, it's very simple. You just have to right click and click on inspect. When you click on inspect, you will get your code, and from there you can get the ID of this button. As you can see here, this button says input button FF and next, and here you will get the ID of the button. Similarly, you can get the ID of the previous values also. And ID is here, button FFF next. Okay, so this is the way you can get the ID of the button. You just have to write the ID of the button here, and this is the code which will get executed. Now this is a very simple code, simple jQuery code. What I have done is just written document.getElementID, and this is the ID of the field which I want to preview. Which ID? The ID of these fields. Like this is the account name. The same way I will get the ID of this field also. Click on inspect and you will get the ID from here. Just note down the ID of the fields from here and put it right over here. .inner HTML is equal to document.getElementID account.name. Account is the object on which the form has been written, and this name is the API name of the field, which value I want to populate here. As you can see, there are multiple: phone, number of employees, number of locations. Similarly, I will populate all the fields here. Now using this piece of code, I will be able to preview my form. Let me demonstrate it. This is my JavaScript code. I've already written a code. Let's replace it by the preview code. And you don't have to save it, it will automatically get saved. Just click close. And after that, you have to publish draft. Then only you will be able to see the change. As you can see, the form has been published. Now let's go and check it out, whether our functionality is working out or not. Now I will create a record. Let's name it as test form stack. Phone number can be any. Let's input this one only. Employees can be any. Locations can be any. Click on next. Street. Let's say let's write a street A. City can be anything. Let's like Delhi everywhere. Country is India. State, let's write Delhi only. Use any of the following given and click on send. Now here you can see it gives us it brings us back on the summary page to give us a preview of all the details which I have filled. This is the name, this is the phone number, and this is the number of employees, number of location, address section, and everything. So this is exactly what I have done right now in the code which I have just shown you here. All the fields are available here in our summary page. So this is the preview functionality that we can implement using the JavaScript code. And the moment I click on submit, rest everything is same and the record will be created in our org. So this is the first requirement that is fulfilled by the JavaScript code.